Trading futures and options involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You should consult with your financial advisor to determine if such trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. ITG Capital Management LLC and its affiliates make no guarantees of performance, accuracy, or profit from the use of any trading system, signal, or algorithm, including ITG Quantum AI or any educational strategy. Welcome back to ITG Edge instructional videos. In this session, we'll explore how changing just one parameter in the ITG Quantum AI v.203 algorithm can dramatically affect your trading performance. As in our previous video, we'll be testing NASDAQ futures using tick data and the market replay feature in MotiveWave on the same date, May 1st, 2025, and during the same trading window, from 6:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. the following day. All algorithm settings remain exactly the same as in our previous test, except for one key change. We're switching the entry time from end of bar to intrabar. This slight adjustment means that trades can now be entered before the bar is fully formed, allowing the AI to react faster to signals and execute more trades during periods of momentum. In our previous test using end of bar entries, the algorithm generated a profit of $12,700. With intrabar entries, the results were extraordinary. Profit surged to over $38,000, more than a 300% increase in return on the same market conditions. You'll notice that the algorithm was far more active, taking advantage of nearly every 30-minute bar throughout the session. But keep this in mind. Increased trade frequency also increases your risk exposure. With intrabar entries, you may hit your daily risk limits faster, especially during volatile conditions. Use this setting with caution and always ensure your risk management strategy is properly aligned with your account size and goals. Risk disclosure. Futures trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You can lose more than your initial investment. The performance discussed is hypothetical and for educational purposes only. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Always test thoroughly before trading with real capital. For more information, visit our website at www.itgedge.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.